Right now, it's time to get some funk in your face. That's right, the popular jazz funk band FunkyFinger is here. Audiences enjoy their sound, and we do too. Here's John Krieger, Jeanette Krieger, Kirby Reed, John Stanley, John Mitchell, and Grant Oliver. Together, they are FunkyFinger.
Thank you, Bill.
Once again, that's Funky Finger. Yeah, man, that was nice. You can catch this talented band performing live in concert next Tuesday, February 25th at the Hoff Garden in the dark room from 8 until 11:30. One day they'll get in the bright room, but for now they're in the dark room. And they will be at the Iron Horse Restaurant in Ashland on April 17th from 9 p.m. until midnight. They aren't leaving just yet. They got another great song coming up later. And after you play those gigs, as James Brown said, let's get the drummer some and get him a stand so he doesn't have to lean over and play the congas.
Yeah,
okay?
there you go.
Great job, guys. All right, Jess, we'll send it over to you.